Viewers, welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Loving you is my greatest blessing. True love never fades, it only grows. The best love is the one that feels free. You and I, always meant to be. You are my heart, my soul, my everything. Loving you is like breathing. I can't stop. You are my today, tomorrow, and forever. I found my home in your arms. You are my once-in-a-lifetime love. Our love is my forever favorite song. Where there is love, there is life. Every heartbeat whispers your name. My heart beats only for you. You are my greatest adventure. Forever isn't long enough with you. You make my world beautiful. Together we create endless memories. You make my world brighter. Love doesn't count the years, only the moments. You complete me in every way. Every love story is special, but ours is my favorite. I fall for you every day. You are my happily ever after. Holding your hand feels like home. You are my sweetest addiction. Your love is my greatest gift. With you, love is effortless. With you, life is pure magic. I choose you always and forever. Your love completes me. You are my sunshine in every storm. A simple I love you means everything. My heart beats only for you. Our love is written in the stars. No distance can break true love. My soul found its match in you. You are the reason I believe in love. Holding you feels like home. Your love is my safe place. Loving you is the best decision ever. You are the missing piece of my heart.